And I haven't had a go of this yet. Just do gentle taps. I could start off with the power, but just a few gentle taps is just going to carry on doing the work for me. And there we go, we're good. Hi, my name's Andy. I'm a music teacher based in Stroud. Let's give it a good hit right from the start. Yeah, it's working fast. We have a log burner that we had installed 2 years ago. We love it. It's taking that, balancing a bit of wood, getting in position with the axe, missing the log, like it's removing all of that. That's quick, right? Look at all this. The moment you pick up your axe, there's a chance that you're gonna aim for the log and miss it, or the log's gonna fall over before you get that moment of contact. Nice one.